Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing sweet chili beef wrap. Let's do it. First thing we need to do, we're going to want a frying pan and turn the heat up high and add a splash of olive oil. And we're going to need some beef mince. Chuck your beef mince into the pan and start breaking the mince down with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Season your beef with some sea salt and some black pepper. And we want this beef nice and crispy, so frying it on a high heat will remove all the water and we'll get some lovely colour on there and get it nice and crispy. So while your beef is getting crispy, we're going to want some fresh chilies. Spend a minute to slice up your chilies, and we want to keep all the seeds in for this one. Chuck your chilies into the beef and give them a good stir through. Fry off your chilies in the beef for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're going to want some fresh ginger. Take a nice chunk of your ginger, cut off the skins, and then dice up your ginger really nice and fine. Chuck your ginger into a small bowl, and then you're going to want some garlic. Take a few cloves of garlic, remove the skins, and you also want to dice up your garlic nice and fine. Pop your garlic into the bowl with the ginger. We want about a 50-50 mix of each, and then you want to chuck in a couple of teaspoons of your ginger and garlic into the beef. Give that a really good stir through. Fry those off for about 2 or 3 minutes. And give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And the next ingredient we need is some soy sauce. Chuck in a few nice glugs of your soy sauce, about a tablespoon or 2. At this point your beef should be getting nice and crispy, so next we're going to want some lovely honey. Chuck in a tablespoon or 2 of your honey, give that a good stir through, and the crispy chili beef will be nice and sweet and sticky. Now your chili beef is ready, you're going to want to get yourself a good pestle and mortar, and you also want some salted roasted peanuts. Chuck a good handful of your peanuts into the pestle and mortar, and then smash and grind away with your pestle and mortar until you've got some nice coarse peanuts. And then we're going to want to prepare the salad for the wrap. So first up, you want to take a baby gem lettuce, and using a sharp knife dice up your lettuce fairly coarsely. And the next ingredient for the salad are some spring onions. Dice those up a few centimetres thick. Chuck them into a bowl along with your lettuce. Next up, some carrot. And with your carrot you just want to grate a nice handful. Toss that up lightly with your hands, and to add some lovely acidity to the wrap we're going to want a lemon. Take a couple of nice slices of your lemon and give those a good squeeze into the salad. And then you want to take the lemon and zest that into the salad as well. Once you got your lemon juice and zest in the bowl, give your salad a good toss with your hands, and then pop your salad to one side, and you're going to want a sheet of tin foil. And a wrap wouldn't be a wrap without a wrap, so get yourself a nice tortilla, pop that onto the tin foil, and to start, chuck on a nice handful of your salad, and then your sweet crispy chili beef, and then sprinkle with your crushed salted peanuts. Next you want some coriander. Take a handful of your coriander, and we want to dice that up really nice and fine, and then sprinkle over the peanuts, the beef and the salad. And then all that's left to do is to wrap your wrap. Sweet chili beef and peanut wrap.